What's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to put on Prank Parts Alternator Relocation Kit for the J series. Alright guys, this is what to expect when you get the kit. You got the lower part, the upper part, and the side part right here. This eliminates the serpentine belt pulley. Okay guys, so the first step we're going to have to do is obviously remove the alternator. And then come down here to where the AC compressor is, remove that and remove the AC compressor mount. The alternator has like a 12 and a 14. The compressor has 12s and then the 14 for the plate. Then you want to remove your dipstick tube will be right in the way of this 10mm bolt. So you want to go ahead and remove your dipstick tube. Then you want to go ahead and remove your 10mm bolt up here, and then you have a 10mm bolt underneath. And then you have one 8mm bolt in the center. So go ahead and remove that. And this kit actually deletes this, so you don't need this anymore. Okay, so now once you have all that removed, I'm going to go ahead and get your bottom portion of the kit with the 8mm Allen head screws and put that on the bottom. Okay, when you're done with the lower portion over here, you want to move to the side where the serpentine tensioner used to be. And this is the block off plate for it. We are going to locate the we're going to locate the middle size bolt here. We're going to put that bad boy right into there. It'll be just like that. That locks it in. And then you want to take your 5mm Allen heads and line them up with where your 10mm went. And then you have one screw type Allen head in the center, and that's a 4mm. Okay guys, and you want to grab your last piece. You want the little hump facing down. That actually fits like right into the alternator. Grab your bigger washer and your bigger nut. Go ahead and slide this thing on. And just loosely tighten up the nut. You don't have to, don't make it too tight right now. You'll see why. All right, so the bolt actually goes in there. There's, you know, two little pieces here, which is really nice because it's concave, so you don't have to have a wrench to hold that. Okay guys, now we can put the alternator on. Grab your alternator, grab your bolt with the washer on the end of it, and go ahead and just slide that down, push it through, kind of put your finger in the back of the nut just to get it started, and then slide this up in position. All right, and the last piece, you have your bolt. Put one washer on, go ahead and slide a piece through the top, the other side, put your washer on, and then put your nut on the back, which just barely clears the block here. Perfect clearance. All right, so this is your new adjustment, as you can see. So what you want to do, leave it loose, put your belt on, The belt that you need, the part number for it will be in the description. Put your belt on and then get it nice and tight, and then you'll tighten up this bolt, the top bolt, and then the bottom bolt. And then that will be it. All right guys, so that's how you put on the Prank Parts Alternator Relocation Kit. I hope this video helped you. And don't forget to check out my other videos. I'm J-swapping a MR2, 92 MR2 right now. So check that out and hit like if this video has helped you. Please subscribe to my channel so you get all the updates. This thing is going to be turbocharged, around 800 horsepower, stock engine. So thanks for watching. See you guys. Bye.
Okay, it's rap packed to my pulse flat. We keep it real, no false rap. I got 4 cars and they all black. Got 4 bras and they all that. We call that ballin'. Doing this is my calling. Flow is so appalling. My phone off and she calling. I'm like,